Hello friends, so today we'll be talking about moisturizers and acne. What I usually see is patients coming into my clinic and saying, Doctor, I have a very oily skin, give me medicines for acne. I usually don't need a moisturizer because my skin is very oily. I wash my face 3 to 4 times a day. Don't do that. Stop doing it. You need a moisturizer if you have acne prone skin, and you need to wash your face just twice. That is good enough. What exactly happens is when we treat you for acne, we usually use products like retinoids, azelaic acid, benzoyl peroxides, and other antibiotics, which lead to defect in skin barrier, dryness, and irritation of the skin. So it's very important to add concomitantly any good moisturizer so that you can continue your acne therapy very easily. How do you exactly choose a moisturizer if you have acne prone skin? First thing is you have to see about your skin. What is the texture of your skin? What is the type of your skin? And how much prone you are to acne? How frequently you get your acne eruptions? And what medicines you are on, whether you are only on topical creams or you are also on oral retinoids. Depending on this, depending on your skin type, you choose a good moisturizer. Coming to how exactly do you choose what moisturizer you have to use. You have to look out for few things when you're buying a moisturizer for acne. So you should see the texture of the moisturizer, whether it's a gel based, a lotion based, or avoid the ones which is cream and ointment based. Gel and lotion is always better for acne prone skin. See the base of the moisturizer, if it's an oil based or water based. Always go for water based moisturizers. Oil based are usually not preferred in acne patients. And always look for the word called non-comedogenic, which means that you won't get any more acne eruptions because of use of this particular moisturizers. Usually these moisturizers contain three main ingredients. In a general moisturizers, you have emollients, you have humectants, and you have occlusives. For acne prone patients, the best of these ingredients which are there in moisturizers are like dimethicone, glycerine, and hyaluronic acid, a little bit amount of lactic acid or alpha hydroxy acids, which in minimal percentage also act as good moisturizers. Moreover, if you are acne prone, always look for moisturizers which also have anti-inflammatory agents, because most of your acne lesions are inflamed ones. So with this, it also helps in reduction of acne. So you should look for compounds like witch hazel, green tea extract, aloe vera. Other ingredients like lactic acid also help a lot in reducing your acne, as well as acting as a good moisturizing agent for acne prone skin. You can also look for ingredients like niacinamide and licorice extract. Apart from acting as anti-inflammatory moisturizing agent, they also prevent the pigmentation which is left behind by your acne, active acne lesions. So these are the ingredients you should look for, and what you should avoid if you are acne prone. You should avoid creams which contain or moisturizers containing shea butter, cocoa butter, paraffins, petrolatum, all these mineral oils and vegetable oils. They are not good if you have an acne prone skin. Coming to how do you apply your moisturizer, especially if you're acne prone, what I suggest is immediately after washing your face, dab your face with a soft cotton towel and apply your moisturizer immediately. That's the best time to apply. In case if you're using retinoids in the evening time, you should give at least half an hour window between your face wash and retinoid, and then it should be topped up with the moisturizer. In case if you have a very sensitive skin and you're not able to bear with retinoids in winters and you are having acne breakouts, what you can follow is something called a sandwich technique, in which you wash your face, you wait for half an hour so that the natural oils come back. Then you apply a very thin layer of moisturizer, top it up with your retinoids, and those dry areas which are more irritated or more sensitive can be put with another layer of moisturizer on top of it. So this is how you use your moisturizer if you have acne prone skin and oily skin. So don't believe the myth of not using moisturizers if you have oily skin. To have a good winter skin, use it and choose the right one. Look at the ingredients before you buy one. Thank you.